Hi, today we are going to discuss about second order derivative. Already you have learned first order derivative. Okay, here once again we are going to differentiate the given functions with respect to x. Okay, so the second order derivative, it is denoted by d square y by dx square or double dash of x or y double dash or y2. In exam they may ask anyone, okay, find y double dash. It is nothing but the second order derivative. Okay, here already we have learned first order, so it is easy to do this. Now I have given here an example. So y is equal to x cube. Okay, find y2. Y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Okay, so first what we are going to do it, we will try to find out dy by dx. For finding dy by dx, we want to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, here, so while we are differentiating this term, dy by dx is equal to x cube. Now we are applying this formula. Derivative of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So x cube, we are writing that n, the power term, 3 into x square. Okay, now we are going to find out the second derivative. For finding the second derivative, again we have to differentiate it with respect to x. Clear? So when we are differentiating, what we will do? D by dx of, already what is that function? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the answer 3x square. Clear? So now this is, it comes as d square y by dx square is equal to, so in this place again we are applying the same formula, n into x to the power n minus 1. Then we will be getting 6, 3, and then power when we bring it here, 3 into 2, 6. So 6 here, 3, and then 2 x to the power 1. So 3 2s are 6 and x. Therefore, the second derivative of x cube is 6x. Clear? Okay, let us move on to the exercise. Exercise 5.7. Find the second order derivative of the function. First one is x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, here I am using different sign for that. Here I am using y1, and the next problem I am using the f function. Okay, so I am considering this problem as y is equal to, let y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, we want to find out the second derivative. For finding the second derivative, we must know the first. Okay, we have to find out the first derivative. So differentiate with respect to x, then the derivative, instead of writing dy by dx, I am writing here y1. Okay, so y1 is equal to x square is nothing but 2x plus 3. Same formula I am applying here. I have written this. The derivative of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So y1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Clear? Now again we are going to differentiate with respect to x. For finding the second derivative, y2 is equal to 2 is a constant term. When we are differentiate this x term, we will be getting 1. Constant term, it becomes 0 when we differentiate it. So the answer is y2 is equal to 2. It is nothing but the second derivative. Okay, second derivative is equal to 1. So here the second derivative of x cube plus 3x plus 2 is the answer. I hope it's clear. Now let us move on to the next one. The second problem is x to the power 20. Okay, so now what I am doing that, instead of considering as a y1, I am taking as f of x. F of x is equal to x to the power 20. This notation we can use it. Sometime for confusing us, they may give this. Okay, so these are all the symbols they are using to find out. F of x is equal to x to the power 20. Differentiate with respect to x. So for finding this here, for this problem, it is in the form of x to the power n. So for finding the first derivative, f dash of x is equal to 20 into x to the power 20 minus 1. So it is 20 x to the power 9. For finding this second derivative, I am using that f double dash of x is equal to 20, 19 into x to the power 18. So f double dash of x is equal to 380 x to the power 18. Okay. Therefore, the second derivative of x to the power 20 is 380 x to the power 18. Clear? Thank you.